you requested this song, Yonke Mihla ngoziphilela ngomthandazo. Okay, I'll use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I will first break it down in G sharp. Ne? So it starts right here. It starts on this chord. Ne? This one. Ne? Okay, let me put strings. Yeah, on this one. Ne? So on this chord, it's like nisozenga kata. Then you go to this one, kata zeka. Okay, ngoziphilela. Then you go to this one, ngomthandazo. Then you go to this one, ne? Then yonke mihla yami. Then you go to this one, ne? Yami ngoziphilela yebo ngomthandazo. So it's like one, angisozenga khathazeka, khatha. Then you go to this one, ne? Khathazeka ngoziphilela. Then you stay on the same chord, ne? Ngoziphilela ngoziphilela ngomthandazo. Okay, I hope you can see it, ne? Yonke mihla yo. Then you go to this one, yonke mihla yami ngoziphilela yebo ngomthandazo. So it's like one, angisozenga khatha. 3, zeka. Okay, 4, philela ngomthandazo. Then 5, ne? Then yonke mihla. 6, then 5, 4, 3, then 1. Then you go to 1 first inversion, ne? You go to 3 again, 2, then 1, then you go to 5, then you go to 1, ne? So this is our G sharp, ne? So let's go to F sharp, ne? So in F sharp it is very simple, same thing, ne? So it starts right here. Anisozenga. Then you go to this one, thazeka ngoziphilela. Then you go to this one, ngomthandazo. Then you go to this one, ne? I hope you can all see it, ne? Yonke mihla yami ngoziphilela. Okay, ngomthandazo. song ne in F sharp ne, it's like it starts right here ne, angisozenga khathazeka, then it goes here, ngozi philela, then it comes here ne, ngomthandazo. Okay, yonke mihla. This one is the same as this one. Yonke mihla yami ngoziphilela. Okay, ngomthandazo. If you didn't understand it in your preference key, please go and check again and again and again ne? So this is F sharp. So we are now going to C sharp ne? So very simple. In C sharp it starts right here. Okay, let me play it here. Khathazeka. I hope you can see it ne? Ngozi philela. Okay, ngomthandazo. I hope you can all see it ne? Yonke mihla. I hope you can see it. Yonke mihla yami ngoziphilela ibungumthandazo. So yeah, this is our song ne? So very simple ne? It starts right here on this chord. Like just have to be like khathazeka. You can play something like this on your left hand side ne? Ngoziphilela ngomthandazo ne? It's the same as this one ne? Yonke mihla yami ngoziphilela. Okay, so I won't waste time on this song ne? Thank you guys. I hope you also eat. Please, if you didn't understand, go and check again and again.